Nick Rudder from McKees37.com. One of the best products that you can put on your vehicle before going on a road trip is McKees 37 Coyote Bug Guard. This clear film of protectant makes it so bugs, grime, and road film will not stick to your vehicle. It's easy to use. Spray a liberal amount all over the front of your vehicle, excluding the glass, and then hit the road. Check out the front end of this Toyota Corolla after a 3-hour road trip in Florida heading west. It is covered in bug splatter, but that's okay because Coyote Bug Guard will make it much easier to remove versus not having anything on the paint, which would require aggressive rubbing and scrubbing, plus damage could have already occurred. Coyote Bug Guard prevents against that. Now, for really stubborn bug splatter, and to make things even easier yet, I like to keep a bottle of McKees 37 Roadkill Bug Remover in my vehicle at all times. Using it is simple. Spray a liberal amount all over the vehicle, and this 8-ounce size is great because it'll fit in the door pocket. It does not smell bad, and it's safe for all clear coat finishes. At this point, you can actually use a garden hose or a bucket of soapy water, but since I'm on the road, I'm using the IK Foam Pro 2 mixed up with McKees 37 N914. This is mixed up at the waterless wash solution. And I'm going to saturate the front end of this Corolla. That way I have ample lubrication to use the McKees 37 Roadkill Bug Scrubber. This guy starts off really stiff and coarse, but after you get it wet with solution, it quickly softens up. The secret is in the honeycomb design. It gently, but very effectively, scrubs away stubborn bug splatter. Using it is simple. Rub it back and forth and side to side, ensuring that you add more lubrication or more cleaner frequently. Lubrication is key to prevent any scratches or swirl marks as you use this sponge or any bug sponge for that matter. The next step is to rinse the surface. I'm using the same exact setup as I did for a pre-treatment, and that's N914 mixed with the waterless wash dilution in my IK Foam Pro 2. These are hands down the best sprayers that money can buy. They're high quality, they last forever, and you can use just about any type of surfactant-based chemical to make a foaming cleaner. Once I do that, I'm going to use a drying aid. For this, I'm using McKees 37 Fast Wax. This is going to add some protection, make the paint super slick, and it also makes it easier to dry. As an added bonus, it smells great. Then to dry the surface, I'm using our Glacier 1100 drying towel. This dries the surface in 1 or 2 passes, and it works extremely well. You have to understand I'm working out in the sun. It's about 95 degrees in the hot Florida heat. I want to move quickly. Fortunately, all these products are safe in the sunlight and they're heat friendly since they're developed here in South Florida. At this point, the front end is completely bug free. This only took a few minutes. It was quick and easy, and it did not require rinsing with a hose or a bucket or anything like that. This is great for a road trip. Then I turn my attention to the glass. I start by using McKees 37 Roadkill Bug Remover all over the glass. It dissolves the bug splatter quickly and effectively, and once again, this product does not smell bad. It actually contains a special enzyme to break down the bug splatter. Then I sprayed the surface with the Foam Pro 2 with the waterless wash mix, and this is to add additional lubrication and to also help provide a slick barrier that helps encapsulate the bug splatter so it's easier to remove in general. Unlike paint, you don't really have to worry about scratching the glass. Glass is much harder than paint, so you can tend to be more aggressive with your bug scrubber. And then last but not least, I rinsed the windshield using the same IK Foam Pro 2 with the N914 mixed up. And then I dried everything using a brand new, clean, dry Glacier 1100 microfiber drying towel. I cannot emphasize enough just how incredibly well these towels work to dry every part of your vehicle. Well, there you have it, folks. A safe, fast, effective, and easy way to rid your vehicle of bug splatter and also to protect it while you're on a road trip. Best of all, it's fast and it's easy, and you don't have to have a garden hose or any type of bucket. The vehicle is ready for the drive home, the windshield is clear, and the front end is clean. For more information on these products, visit McKees37.com. Take care, God bless, and make sure you click that subscribe button.